Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dy. Now we need to open parentheses. So we divide both sides by y squared. Now I will put this one go to the right. Next we have s and first derivative of s. This is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu y, and that is about e to the power of the integration. We see that this one negative 1 over y next to s. This is for integrating factor. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of negative f and y, and negative will go inside about natural law in here. And now we simplify it, and that is about y to the power of negative number 1, and we have 1 over y. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. For this one, we can put like this. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So that should be like this. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, we have s over y. This one, that is about y to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1, and I will put about c. So this one we have negative number 2. This one we have negative number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.